Hello, friends. The subject that I'm going to talk about today is how does one navigate detailing and the lack of income in the winter months. Uh, this is one subject I do feel like I can talk about because I have dealt with this from my former career. I was a truck driver for almost 25 years. You all know that if you've been around. And something that I had to deal with in the construction industry was in the wintertime, you don't have a whole lot of income. The difference is you have the opportunity to fall back on unemployment. Well, if you're running your own detailing business, that's not the case. You don't have any unemployment to fall back on. I didn't like drawing unemployment. 90% of the reason why is because they don't take taxes out. And if they don't take taxes out, then you're on the hook for that at tax time. And I just didn't want to deal with it. Trucking provided a very good income. And I feel like detailing can provide a very good income as well. However, it takes a while. So I'm in my first year of detailing, and my journey in detailing was completely by accident. When I left trucking, I wholly expected in 30 days or so to be back in a truck somewhere. So I want to talk about this particular subject because I can talk about this subject. I have dealt with it when I'm in the construction industry driving a truck. Wintertime is not going to provide you with a decent income. You're going to have days when it's raining and really cold and things like that, and the crews are just not going to work, so they don't need you. So what I want to suggest is, number one, save as much money as you can. When you're detailing through the season, if you save as much money as you can, it takes you a little further into the winter months. I live in Kansas, so our winter months, our winter weather can vary. The last couple of years, our winter weather hit us like a brick wall in October. Now, that's not a normal weather pattern. So you figure 6 months of the year you're going to have to prepare. You're going to have details slowly trickling in. If you've been fortunate enough to be able to prepare maintenance customers and get those on the schedule, it does kind of work in your favor. So I always suggest save as much money as you can. That is my plan for the next season coming up. The next thing that I suggest is a part-time job in those months. And a lot of people, this is, the comments that I've been watching, they think that's just too much. They can't do the detailing and go get a part-time job. I'm sitting at my part-time job right now. Weekends, third shift. I take Saturday during the day off because Friday nights I stay awake as late as I possibly can. And then I work Saturday and Sunday nights. So then Monday I take off. So that gives me Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to do my detailing. So getting a part-time job, don't say it's not going to work out, because it definitely has worked out for me. And I've been able to pick up extra hours also. So if detailing is not coming in, I've got a couple extra days on the schedule. I'll be okay. Those are my two suggestions for anybody who is struggling in the winter months. There are ways to continue detailing. The problem is the public is convinced that they don't want us out there in that weather and all of that. And trust me, I'm old. I ain't cut out to be doing the winter and the cold anymore. So just remember that sometimes it's just your customers that are going, no, I'm not going to put them through that, because they genuinely do care. If they would not want themselves out there, to do this, they certainly wouldn't want you out there. So I just want to put those two things out there. Don't think that you're going to lose all your opportunity for detailing and waiting for those phone calls to come in if you go and get yourself a part-time job. I just wanted to kind of talk about this a little bit because I have gone through it for years. When I was not over the road, I was local, and my local trucking has always been in the construction industry, and so I completely understand where this question would come in where detailing is concerned. With that being said, I hope everybody has a wonderful night. It's very, very quiet here because the weather moved in, so I'm just sitting around, and I thought, hey, now's the perfect time for a video. And until the next video, we'll see you later. Peace.